Alright guys, so inside of this box is the GoPro Karma drone. And right here we have a Hero 6. So what you're going to do is, you're going to start by opening it up. You're going to see you have your remote, you have your drone, it's got its wings on it already, gimbal's already installed. We just have to put the Hero 6 in. So, I'm going to take it out, open this piece up, I'm going to drop it right inside. If you've ever used the GoPro Karma grip, this is exactly the same thing, same gimbal that's used on that. And as a matter of fact, if you're an idiot like me and you happen to buy the Karma grip before buying the drone, you'll end up finding out that the drone actually comes with one and you kind of wasted your money. So if you're thinking about buying a Karma grip, wait, because if you buy the drone, you're going to save some extra cash. So to get started, right here, I'm going to pull these apart. After that, I'm going to separate the wings. You will feel them click into place. If you don't, then you did something wrong. You definitely did not move them far enough. When you buy this, it does come with two spares. Now each one has a different color. This one has silver, this one has black. Basically you have to pay attention because two are silver and two are black. That basically stands for the orientation that you have to rotate this to install it. So since I've already broken a silver tipped, I have to only have this black one now. So if I need another silver one, I'm kind of screwed, but you can buy these separately. What I always do though, just to be on the safe side, I do have a little kit here that came with it also, which happens to have this piece here. So something you should always do before you go and fly this is just stick it right in and give a little bit of a tug to make sure that each one of the wings are properly fastened and they didn't come loose during any flight. Also check, make sure there's no cracks, there's nothing damaged. As long as it looks okay, you should be fine. There's nothing too major with it. Now, the 570 Experience had made a video recently showing another drone that uses your cell phone. You know, you just has this little antenna thing, you clip the phone into it. With this, you don't need that. This here has its own control panel right here, all built into the remote. And we're just going to go ahead and start it up. And we're also going to go ahead and start up the Karma drone. So once the drone starts up, you will see that you have green in the front and you have red LED indicators in the back. This is basically so that way once it's up in the air, you know exactly where it's at, what position and everything. Plus you can kind of see it a little bit, which is, you know, pretty helpful. So right here we've got the main screen for the drone. We're going to swipe up on the pad. Now, as of right here, it's showing it's been charged, but it's been sitting for a little bit. So right now we've got 17 minutes left on the 20-minute battery. And as long as the GPS and everything is all okay, we should be perfectly fine for launch. So it says GPS found, so this is where the drone currently is sitting, right here at the park. So we are going to go ahead and start this bad boy up. So let me step aside.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's right here. We are at 342 feet up in the air. And it's time to bring it down. So to bring it down, we're going to simply hit this button right here, and we're going to hit return to launch. Alright guys, so it's time that we watch this thing come down. So that's basically it. That's all there is to it. There is nothing complicated at this thing at all. If you go into the menus, there is a game you can play that basically does a virtual reality of this thing without using the real drone, so you can practice flying. You know, that's something that mandatory it starts you off with, but you know, if you want to play around and just get some practice, you can always access that at whatever time you want to. Now I'm going to end this with just a couple of different shots that I've attempted. Nothing too spectacular because I'm still trying to learn how to do, you know, cinematic shots with it, but I'm just going to leave you guys with a few things that I have filmed. Thanks guys, I'll catch you next time.